tubes! Yes, I scream in all my damn videos. We do high energy here. We don't lay down. Alright, folks, I'm a big fat liar. We are at Spirit Halloween, the place I drove past and cussed at, and they were a month and a half freaking late, 6 weeks late opening their damn doors. I don't know what the hell they're going to be in here for 30 days for. What the hell they possibly going to sell, make their money back for paying rent. Let's go in the hell and see what the hell they got. Let's go. 6 damn weeks late. Alright, we made it in. Actual animatronics. $3.29 for bad seed. Hit him, Savage.
You little monsters have been carving up my friends for years.
It's kind of a heavy head.
Now
I'll give him that.
my turn to make a jack-o'-lantern.
His hands are pretty big.
From your head.
Yeah, his head's nice and thick. He's like one of those big, giant, massive skeletons. Looks like they've got some of the display here. I don't see the bubbler tubes yet, but we're going to keep on looking. This is my first time getting to see Lord Raven in person. He's actually pretty cool. I like his long head. I need to sculpt something like that. Of course, he's blow molded. Come on, Raven, do it. Don't disappoint me. There he goes. He's $299. I'm gonna get all up in your grill. It's cool that he pumps his wings or his arms in and out and then comes back and forth. So he's got like 2 motions. Yeah, his hands are blow molded, pretty decent. And he's a good size. He could use a little love, but he's cool. Not too bad. Boy, the sun's blowing everything out. I do absolutely love the lab today, man. Oh, they do got the bubbler tubes, okay. We're going to try and be here the day after to buy it. Who's this little scumbag? Hit him. This is Young Crouchy, $169. Hey, look, Spirit's got just little versions of clowns now. Because 26 clowns a year ain't enough. Okay, so his head swings one way, his shoulders swing the other. He's a dinky little guy. He's got actual blow-molded shoes, which is actually pretty cool. They poofed up his hair pretty good. I love the bubble tubes, man. So little Crouchy is $169. All right, let's go see who else they got here. Betty Sharp, $169 as well. What's your name, girl? What's your name?
You want to see what's in my bag?
I sure do.
Just
oh, it's moving.
Stick your head in real slow.
Really cool. That's it? Just her bag moves? She could use some help with the eyes and the paint. Do it again, Savage.
My sister used to be Mommy's favorite, but I took care of that.
That does look really cool. The bag moves pretty awesome. Alright, let's see. I guess that's all the display they're going to have. I want to get in and get them bubble tubes. I want to take those home for our house. And it looks like there's supposed to be man's possessed friend right here. We'll stick this back up here. He's either gone or sold already.
That's Bella, the dog.
And the sitting scarecrow. But look at the bubble tubes, man. How freaking cool is that?
The man's possessed friend is Bella, the dog.
Yeah. But the display is awesome, even though it's cardboard. Oh, and they got a ton of Crouchies on the floor. Look at this. What do they got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 7. They got 1 Lord Raven. Oh, they got 2 Lord Ravens. All right, let's go wander around, man. Let's see what all they got up in this place, since they're only going to be here for 30 days. So they got the Hanging Sams, which are really cool. He's got a little felt lollipop. How much is Hanging Sam? Hanging Sam is $60. But he's burlap, and he's got his little pajama material. He's actually pretty cool, man. Trick or Treat's awesome. So for $60, get yourself a Sam. Man, so they got Hocus Pocus and Stades, man. They got Here Lies the Body of William Butcher, the Sanderson Witch Museum. That's kind of thick wood, so that's pretty cool. What is that, a journal? A journal, the little cauldron for $21.99. I don't know about that. They got the statue, Winifred statue. She just glows green behind it. Bunch of Hocus Pocus. Man, they got a lot of Hocus Pocus, the blankets and stuff. Billy Butcherson again, the glasses, dish towels. Sanderson Witch Museum. That's actually pretty cool. It's wooden. That guy is 26. Come on, phone. $26.99. So $26.99 for the Sanderson Witch Museum. Alright, let's go dive in, see what else they got. Man, check this out. Big Top Burgers, man. Now, y'all know Cowboys be hating them some clowns, but I do love the killer clowns from outer space. How cool is that? JoJo ice cream. That is sharp, man. That's super cool. I do have a soft spot for killer clowns. $15, boy, on 50% off day, I would come back and get that. They got Freddy, 2 different teed towel designs. So they got Freddy designs. These 15 too. Yep, they're $14.99. Alright, they got door covers for Sam. They got little Sams, little baby Sams. Little baby Sam is 25 bucks for that little guy? Good golly, man. I don't know about that. He's got really great detail, though. Alright, let's dive in. Alright, guys, so I found the Deadly Creeper wandering around. I have not seen this year. I guess his front little pedipalps move. He's 200 bucks. Stands 3 feet tall. Hangs up to 4 feet. So he must be pretty damn big, and they don't have it in the store. Of course, look what we got up there. Oh, jumping spider. Is it a new color this year? Oh, no. But this guy's huge. I wish they had him in the store because I'd kind of like to see him. So let's go see what else they got up in here. Oh, they got a Mr. Dark. Check him out. I've never seen this guy in person either, so here he goes. Woo! Man, he's freaking tall. He just jumps right up there. And again, the display is freaking awesome. They got the blue bubblers over here, which are really cool. Their display this year is awesome. And they actually, I think they've got one Mr. Dark in stock that we saw. Is that it? So Mr. Dark's pretty cool. He's a big-ass animatronic. I'll give him that. There's little Lucky Bottoms. More damn clowns. Come on, Spirit. Try and block the sun for this guy. He just sits and giggles like a little friggin' hyena. I'll tell you what, though. I'll give him points on the display, man. The knife switches and stuff are cool. That's awesome, man. That must be like Nozzles the Clown. I'll tell you what, though. The Frankenstein lab thing, man, is freaking cool, man. I'll give him that. Alright, I'm gonna try not to get copyright strike over those damn freaking club music in here. It's like a goddamn rave. They do got the coolly Beetlejuice signs, which are awesome. I like those. A ton of Beetlejuice merch. The little shrunken head guy is cool. And they actually got the Beetlejuice snakes. Check him out. These guys are 47 bucks, 49 bucks. Oh, these guys are $50. Come on, camera. But these are actually pretty cool. They're good size. Beetlejuice signs. What's a Beetlejuice sign? He's 30 bucks for the 3-piece sign. And they got little Lydia down there. Oh, a mug with a spoon. That's pretty cool. Sandworm mug. Man, they got all kinds of Monopoly. What is that? Beetlejuice book. Handbook for the dead, recently deceased. Alright, that's cool. And then, of course, they got the Beetlejuice tombstone, which lights up. So that's pretty cool. How much is the Beetlejuice tombstone? Let's tell the people the prices. Come on, Beetlejuice. He's 60 bucks for a blow molded tombstone, $59.99. So I don't know about that. I was gonna keep it on the porch or something like that, but this little guy is pretty freaking cool, man. He's $16.99 for the little shrunken head guy. I always thought he was pretty funny in the movie. Alright, let's dive back in, see what else we can find. So I thought these were pretty cool. They got more signage this year. Oogie Boogie's Lair, of course, like NBC, man, Nightmare Before Christmas gets all the love, and this sign is 20 bucks, so that's kind of cool. And it looks like they've also got a little wreath down here from Welcome Foolish Mortals, so that's pretty cool. From Haunted Mansion, that's awesome. How much is that? That is 40 bucks for that, so it's Halloween Town. Because Nightmare Before Christmas doesn't have enough signs. And he's 27 bucks, so alright, let's keep looking. And I found these guys around the corner, man. Check these guys out. These are like solid resin heavy-ass boxes. Tomb Sweet Tomb for 20 bucks. And this guy is super heavy. He's $24.99 for the Haunted Mansion. So Haunted Mansion's getting some love the last couple of years from Spirit, which is really awesome, man. Little wooden Tomb Sweet Tomb sign for 20 bucks. So just lots of cool stuff, man. They're getting all the good license love. The towels are freaking cool, man. They got the glasses. Towels $14.99 too. Wall-to-wall creeps, and the towels are also 15 bucks, so not real bad. The mugs are freaking awesome with the hitchhiking ghosts. So they got a lot of cool stuff this year. $9.99 for Haunted Mansion, I dig that. The blankets, the tumblers, the sign. They don't have the signs, the plaques they had last year, though. What are these little... Ooh, these are heavy as hell, man. Haunted Mansion. That's really cool for like 17 bucks. Man, that's super freaking heavy, though. Are these shot glasses? Oh, glass votive set. I guess you stick candles in there, you don't do shots out of them. But that's 20 bucks for those, so... Alright, let's keep wandering around. Okay, so I found some Ouija board stuff that's kind of cool. But man, they got this solid resin skull. Jesus Christ, man, this thing must weigh like 5 pounds. It's got all the stuff carved in it, which is pretty awesome. I think they're 20 bucks? Yeah, $19.99, man. Look at that, that's pretty freaking awesome. That's a nice heavy ass skull. I dig that. Okay, so here's our Spirit Pose and Stay Skelly. This is a Crazy Bone Skeletons at Target or Target for 40 bucks. This guy is $100 here. With the coupon, you get him for 80. It's a Crazy Bone Skeleton. There's nothing special about him. He's in a box. So get your skellies at Target. This is the Crazy Bone Skeleton I've been telling you guys about. So they got all kinds of stuff. They got the hangers this year for 40 bucks. They got the pumpkin guy, which is pretty cool. Is this guy new? He's a scarecrow? He's kind of cool. That's different. What's he do? Oh, he's got yellow eyes. So he's actually pretty cool. He just needs to be on a stick. How much is 4-foot pumpkin hanging man? 70 bucks. Okay. So he's a little bit bigger than these other guys. This is 4 feet long. He's got kind of a crappy corpse job on him. It sucks. Oh, Fiji mermaid. How much is a Fiji?
$20.
20 for the Fiji? That's not bad. This guy's 54. We can build better than that. $40. This guy's pretty huge though. I'll give him that. And these guys are blow molded. They don't seem as heavy as the other ones from a couple of years ago, but they're 52. So, all right, let's keep digging in. Okay, so we're wandering around looking at body parts, and they have a severed hand. Looks like it's a lefty for $7.99. That's plastic. That can be outside. That's a good looking hand. They got righties. Looks like lefty, 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 all lefties, and it's in a tan flesh color. I thought they had these guys in a gray too. Latex, you really don't want to stick out because the sun will eat it. And they got some chain for 15 bucks. Get a couple of hooks at the end. It's blow molded. That hand is cool. I have no idea where the hell the rest of it is or if there's another one. But it's a latex hand, so that's pretty cool. So let's go check out the tombstones. Pretty small this year. Bigger ones are at the bottom. Yep, he's sold. We're taking him home. Take him. That's ours. We're getting him. Yep. I don't care what he costs. We're taking him home. And then they got an assortment of skellies too. They got the shark heads again. They got the octopuses we saw. I think we saw these at home. These guys are 10 bucks here. Oh, they're 20 bucks here for the little octopuses. Then Savage showed you guys a little Fiji mermaid. The little skellies are 22. You can do better elsewhere. And again, so the skelly in the box, he's 100 bucks, which is a Crazy Bone skeleton. That's 40 bucks at Target. This is a $60 skeleton that we don't want. Again, another horrible quality skeleton for $60. This Javelina head's pretty cool too. I think that was it. Javelina? 20 bucks. I thought he's pretty cool. But they got skeletons, and looks like they got some of these little. Oh, he's pretty heavy. Whatever they got on him is a heavy coating.
This is $25.
I don't care. We're getting it. And then they got crappy skeletons, and they got some groundbreakers. Oh, okay. So he's got sort of a green, cracked open head. I think that's new. Lanterns. That's pretty cool. The hands are pretty awesome. What's this guy? You get a price on him? Why do they put prices in the back, Spirit? Put them on the front. Jesus Christ. It's 30 bucks. Okay. They got the little rotten pumpkins with the electric lights. Let me guess. Prices on the back. Is that chainsaw? Lightning? Okay, so these guys are price on the back. 35 bucks for groundbreakers. Man, they're kind of pushing it, aren't they? Pushing your luck with some of this stuff. And they got little rotten jack-o'-lanterns up there too. A swinging witch. Oh, she looks pretty hideous. I'd like to take her home. She's $80. They don't have one in the damn friggin' store. I'd kind of like to see her in person. You open a box and take a look. What kind of face has this girl got? Okay, cover if any employees put that tombstone in front of me. I just want to see her face.
Yeah, I was thinking about that.
She's not bad. She's got a little sugar in her tank. Blow molded head. Alright, we'll stuff her back down there and close the box up. But she's 80 bucks. Alright. Thank you, box. That did not happen. Alright, we got the severed crawling hand again. And inflatables. Fright in the box. They made him a blow mold now, or a blow up, or inflatable. Alright. Let's see if there's anything else left in this place. Okay, so these are your best hands. $9.99. You get a pair. They're gray. I think online they have tan too, which is awesome. Skull steak set. That's not scary. You guys need to go watch my Cannibal Barbecue one. But the hands are cool. They're blow molded. You can foam fill them and stick them on a steak. So these are awesome for 10 bucks. You can buy your hands and load up on them now. Came wandering around, man. They got these big, tall dolls, like 3 feet tall, for 40 bucks. They are creepy as hell, man. She's got some pale blue eyes. Here's one with no freaking eyes. But for just a big ass doll, man, for 40 bucks, I don't think you can beat that. They're called Sinister Spirit Dolls. Alright guys, we wandered around the store. Let's end on masks, man. So they've got the little hard plastic ones again they brought back. The little vintagey ones. Looks like they made some more. They got a devil, a bunny rabbit, a coolie vintage cat, which is really cool. They got, what is this, the Phantom Skull? That's kind of new. Is that supposed to be like Lon Chaney? This is a vintage zombie. So these are like the Ben Cooper styles. That rabbit's half decent. See, they got the clown, which is actually really cool for a vintage clown. They got the werewolf from last year, the monkey, a Raggedy Ann doll. Look at the bum. A vintage dingus mask. Okay, the cat. This skull one's kind of cool. It's pretty thick. How much is the skull one? For a hard plastic with the blackout eyes? He's 25 bucks. I don't know about that. But they got a bunch of them, man. These guys we just saw at Meijer for like 7 or 8 bucks. Is this like Mr. Roboto? How much is Mr. Roboto? Is he 10 or 15 bucks? $16.99, so not hateful. I know they got some Tots masks over there. Oversized clown. So this is a Killer Klowns from Outer Space knockoff. For $39.99, 40 bucks. And they got some Sugar in the Tank guy, another skull mask, an undead zombie. They got a ton of stuff. They got a really cool gas mask up there that's really tall. Pretty thick latex. The Plague Doctor, ooh, that's super thin latex. I don't know about that. This guy's hard plastic, so you'd fare better off with him. Here's the brown latex mask. I kind of dig that one. That one's actually pretty cool. How much is that guy? That guy's 26 bucks. He's totally worth it, man. I got a serial killer behind him. I always thought these were cool. You can put them on a plaque and staple them down. But for their latex masks, man, they got a bunch of stuff. I love seeing dead clowns. That's awesome. Got an alien, devil with hands. That's a pretty gnarly scarecrow. How much is scarecrow? 40 bucks. All right, so they got the gourd guy. Those guys come with the gloves. No, these are just pairs of gloves for... Got the scarecrow, evil hands, and skeleton. That's not bad. 15 bucks for a pair of gloves. If you get a whole trick-or-treat night out of them, that's cool. And afterwards, you just foam fill it. The Dark Lord, he's huge, man. He's probably gonna be like a $70 mask. Oh, he's 40 bucks. So I think their masks are reasonable. Fur ones, fur bunny rabbits, fur piggies, scarecrows. He's heavy latex. And we got Billy from Saw. And a ton of Jason masks. Alright, and I think we're back at Tombstones, man. So, alright guys, I think that's about all we're going to see at Spirit this year. We're going to walk the store. If they're going to have more, I don't know. They've got a couple animatronics. So, again, this is one, the little banger job I busted out. My Spirit finally opened. I don't know what the hell took them so long. So I will see you guys next year. And as always, man, thank you for watching. And yes, I scream in all my videos. I'll see y'all next time.